In this video, you will learn how to unhide rows in Microsoft Excel. Firstly, you have to find which rows is missing. For example, here there is a consecutive numbering and you can see here the row number 3 is missing now. You can easily identify that the one row is hide now. Secondly, there is a double line appeared where the row is hide. For example, currently you can see here the double line appeared here. It means that the rows are missing from here and the row which is missing is row number 3. So you will learn two easy methods how you can unhide the rows which are hidden on that particular sheet of Excel. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. To unhide a particular row, select the rows above and below that particular row. For example, I want to unhide the row number 3. I will select the row number 2 and row number 4 by dragging option. Now right click and go to Unhide option. Now you can see here that the rows are unhide now. Secondly, if there are two rows which are hidden, how you can unhide it, I will demonstrate it using second method. So now I want to unhide these two rows. I will select the rows above and below that consecutive rows. Go to home option and in home option you will find the option of format. In format menu select hide and unhide option and from here I will select unhide rows. When you select this, you can see here these rows will be appeared here. Secondly, if there are multiple rows which are hidden, how you can unhide it using one option. For example, row 2 and row 4 are missing. Now simply click here on the upper corner of Excel. The whole sheet will be selected. Now you can see here the whole sheet is selected. Now place your cursor on any row, right click and go to unhide option and that all row will be now unhidden. Now if row 1 is missing, then you have to use a trick. For example, if this is hidden, now you have to select the row below that particular row and by holding control key you will select first column. Now place your cursor on row number 2, right click and go to unhide option and you can see here the row number 1 is unhidden now. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.